Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off personalized ads based on information from our partners on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now here you will find it, personalized ads based on information from our partners. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.